Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Ngayon po ay pupunta kami ni Via sa Zubik Safari. Kasi nga po, mag 2 years old na siya. Maganda sana makakita siya ng mga tunay na animals. Para naman hindi lang sa video niya lang nakikita, no, or sa picture. Yan. Kasi mag-form din yun ng connection sa brain niya, no? Pagka nagkakaroon siya ng mga experiences sa mga tunay na bagay, tunay na hayop. Yan. So, eto, inaantay lang po namin si mother-in-law at sisibat na kami. Eto si Guapito. Fortunately ay yan. May tama siya ngayon, ano. But hopefully mapagawa na namin. So, alright. Mag-ready na po kami at tatahakin na namin ang kalsada patungong Zubik Safari. Good morning guys, we just arrived here at Zubik Safari SBMA. Yan, si Bia. Bia, are you happy? We get to see animals later. Ayan, okay po. So karamihan din sa mga staff po nila dito ay kabilang po sa Aita community, which is a good thing kasi nga po alam naman natin hindi ganun kadali maghanap ng trabaho sa kanila, kaya mabuti din at may ganitong opportunities para sa kanila, no? Yan, so nagsimula na dumami yung mga sasakyan po, ano? Ito, ang dami, oh, 3 na. Okay, so pupunta lang kami sa ticketing area at saka sa briefing po, no? Para alam namin yung gagawin. Okay guys, so ito po yung ating map, no? Ito po yung magiging flow ng ating tour. Yan, Zubik Park, Serpentarium, Lion Close Encounter, Zubik Cave, Tiger Safari Ride, Croco Loco, Aitas Trail, at wala na yatang number 8, no? So basically, mahaba-haba rin siya. Ngayon naman ay atin tayo ng orientation. Yan, dito po yun, orientation area. Let's go. Okay, next destination guys, Zubik Park. Yan, parang ano to eh. Pun. Yan, saan na sila? Okay, ang ganda nitong isang to, mukha siyang parrot pero hindi. Black Mom Kakadu. Para siyang buwak, ano? Ayan, sulit naman natin to guys. Walang label eh, hindi natin makita kung ano. Pero ano rin siya, species din ng kakatu. No, it's not owl, it's a parrot.
Parrot. Oh, what?
Eclectus parrot.
Parrot. Oh, turtle.
Turtle?
Mine.
Si turtle yan. Pero mukhang ito yung kamukha niyung Chinese soft-shell turtle, ano?
Oh, look at that.
Ringneck dove.
Chicken. Okay.
Para siyang ano, pabo. More like a turkey.
Okay.
Oo.
Turtle. Turtle.
Turtle? Oh no, there's a turtle over here.
Oh, Papa.
Kasuari?
Baby.
Ay, labi kasi niyo.
Baby.
Ang laki niya labo. Kaso kawawa naman siya.
Pangalawa siya sa pinakamabigat.
Kaso mag-isa lang siya, kawawa naman siya. No?
Sa Australia lang yun. Hindi ka na makakita niya sa ibang lugar.
Kaso mag-isa lang siya. Isa lang.
Picture.
Rufus Nighthare.
Adults.
Ano pang dito? Aesthetic yarn.
Goose. Goose.
Goose.
Quack, 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 quack.
Goose. Goose.
It's not eagle. Eagle.
Goose. Adult. Dutch. A man. Duck.
It's,
Duck.
goose.
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 Wow! What's that, Bia?
Goose.
Wow!
Ay, what's that?
Bia,
Goose.
Ay, look, Bia. Ayun na, what's that?
Nasaan? Nasaan?
Goat ba?
Goose ba?
Dito, picture tayo dito, Bia. Picture mo nga kami, Beth. Ito.
It's not goat.
Later.
It's like a deer.
Na, picture tayo dito.
Goose.
Ostrich. It's a very big bird. Look, oh, it's so tall, so enormous. Manunukain.
No, no. I ditch.
Are you scared of ostrich? Pwede yung pakainin ng tuyong dahon yan eh.
I allergic.
Are you scared of ostrich? Don't worry, they're friendly. Bia, oh, look, donkey.
Ducky. I login.
Don't be scared. Donkey.
It's login.
You want donkey?
Sino ang makakakyat yan?
I login.
Donkey.
Ducky. No, run. Run back.
Philippine brown deer.
Monkey! Kuya, monkey! Look!
Ay, Bia, monkey. Monkey.
Monkey!
Papa, Papa.
Oh,
You can get inside.
Monkey.
Palawan bear cat. May oso rin pala sa Pilipinas.
It's a raccoon.
Oh,
Oh, my turn.
parang daga lang.
Bear cat. Look oh. Wow! Magkaiwalay sila.
Kahiwalay sila. Yung isa kaya hindi na makakita.
Magkaiwalay sila, Beth.
Hoy, hoy, yung hands mo, Sam! Pag kinagat yung hands niya, sige, oh, nakasulat to. Mami, bantay mo yung parang...
May monkey uli.
Leopard.
Ay, may leopard. Bia, look oh.
Leopard. Leopard. Leopard.
Leopard? Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that, Bia?
Kaso malayo na talaga, no?
Eh, syempre ka.
Leopard.
Galing naman, no? Meron sila dito.
Kuya.
Ba't nandun lang siya? May
Leopard.
binabantayan siya doon?
Leopard turn.
Leopard. Leopard.
Leopard.
Kala mo ka, pusa lang tinatawag niya. Leopard!
Be, lapain ka lang. Leopard lang.
Leopard! Leopard!
Okay, wild boar. Pero parang ibang klaseng baboy ramotulab. Di ba yung sa atin yung ano?
Haba yung musil.
Oo, yung sa atin yung parang may sungay pa eh. O pag lalaki yun?
Pig.
Pag lalaki lang po, no?
Dito ka na.
Ila.
Dito.
Bia, Bia.
Oh no.
Ay, gumaganon siya, Teo.
Alam niya. Alam niya. Wala namang
Yan ah, gorilla.
Ayaw niya daw. Akala niya totoo, be.
Scared?
Yung touch height. Lapit pa. 1, 2,
Lakas, no? Mukhang kabayo rin din talaga itsura nila. Picture the cattle. Yan, iba itsura niya guys sa ordinaryong baka. Oh.
So,
Yan, no?
big.
Mas ma-forma yung hairstyle nila.
Achoo. Oh, see? Achoo, achoo, achoo. Doggy, doggy, doggy.
Leopard.
Doggy.
Sabi ni Jay,
Aside.
Okay, going na po kami sa Serpentarium. Baka makakita kami ng mga insects kagaya ng scorpions. Yan. Tsaka kung ano-ano pa.
Oh,
Okay, dito yata yung daan. Welcome, lumagpas kami. Alam nyo ba na ang totong lugar na to? Yan, bunker po yan. Mga pinagtaguan ng mga Amerikano nung nakikipagdigmaan sila.
Turtle ko! Ayun na yung maliliit! Ayun na gumagalaw, ma!
Yan, turtle. Malayan box turtle.
Snake turtle yan, tignan mo yung ulo niya.
Malayan box turtle ba?
oh no. Okay.
Tarantula. Bien, look oh. Spider. So big. Big spider. Spider? Spider. Iguana.
Sleep, 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 sleep.
Sleep, yeah. The iguana is sleeping. Oh, red iguana.
Ayan o. Hello. Martin, kita na mo.
Meron pa ba rito? Pearl Burmese python. Be a snake, no? Ball python.
Lang, wait lang!
Look na ko, the snake is moving. Another ball python. Pinstripe python. Stick. Snake. Yeah, look at the snake. It's trying to escape. Oh, ito pong isa nag-molt. Dito, wala yatang hayop. Mga abandonado na. Yeah, lizard. Lizard. African spurred tortoise. Oh, worm, oh. Super worms. Another bearded dragon. Reticulated python. Meron pa ba? Isa pa. Ivory Burmese python. Monitor lizard. Ganda ng tawag sa Tagalog, bayawak. Kaso, nasaan si monitor lizard? Naku, nawala. Albino Burmese python. Ito, malaki siya. Ballroom kasi ball python ang isasayaw. Tapos dito banda, Bia, come here. May train sila.
Dali! Ma! Pa! Dalian!
Sky Safari.
What's that, Kia? Train? Ayun o, Via, picture.
Okay. Tapos namin Serpentarium, kaya ito, break muna. Recharge kasi may show na 10:30. At 10:05 pa lang ngayon, may 25 minutes pa kami. So while waiting, para ma-energize kami, ay kakain muna kami. Yan, merienda muna. May mga ice creams at may hot dogs. Yan. Hot dog buns muna kami.
Oh, jump.
Via, hi. Kain guys.
Seated during the
Galing niya
presentation
magsalita, no?
and refrain from making unnecessary noise or movements. You may take videos or pictures, but kindly turn off your camera flashes. All of these things will make our animals comfortable
Agitated.
in their new home and enhance their performance. Thank you for your cooperation. And ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please welcome my buddy and friends.
Bunny nak, bunny. 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 Oh, have you seen the bunny? Oh, look, dove. Galing mga turuan. Dak. Apo, Dak. Alam nila kung saan pupunta. Yeah, goose. Magang sa goose. Gift na siya pag marami. Yeah, bird. Hindi. Yung bear.
Let's go, Almond. Let's put the show in the air. Wow, what an entrance! I want to make round applause for our fine and furry friends. So now guys, are you ready for more? Oh, come on, I can't hear you again. Are you ready? Alright, now that you are ready, please welcome my friend, and here is how Harry. Hello there, Harry. By the way, Harry is our pot-bellied pig. They originated from Vietnam and China. Pot-bellied pigs are among the top 10 most intelligent animals in the world. Now, Harry is going to show us some obedience behavior. Alright, I was doing the sit. How about laid out? Good job, and turn around. Okay, there you go. Now we are going to level up the challenge. Now, as we tell you more information about them and their unique personalities. And of course, during the show, I'll be asking volunteers from the audience to assist. So now guys, let me hear you. Are you ready? Here. Don't worry guys, we assure you.
Yung oso yata. Yung oso.
Alright, so volunteers, please whatever happens, do not drop our animal friend. Miss Kid, just relax. Okay, and there you go. Now let's start with this amazing Scops owl named Zoo. Scops owl or Philippine Scops owl are the biggest among Scops family. And don't you know guys, that owl can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without tearing tendons or breaking blood vessels. And on the side, we have Kyle, our Philippine long-tailed macaque. They are the subspecies crab-eating macaque, locally known as maching or, in general term, unggoy. These primates are highly social creatures. They also have extremely long tail, which is longer than their height from their head to their rump. Okay, and of course, on the stage, we have Almond, our Palawan bear cat. They are locally known as Pinturong and has a lifespan of approximately 20 years. This animal can stand erect like a bear and has whiskers like cat, thus the name bear cat. And everyone, these animals are now listed as vulnerable or endangered of extinction due to habitat loss and illegal poaching. So, to save this animal and let the next generation to still see this beautiful creature, let us help in the advocacy to stop illegal logging. But instead, let's start planting today that will serve us their home for tomorrow. Alright, Miss Kid, how does it feel having a bear cat on your shoulder?
It's really heavy.
It is really heavy, yes it is. Almond is now weighing more or less 11 kilos. Okay, how about you, Kuya? What's here? Okay, yes, you. Come on, you. Whatever happens, please do not drop our animal friends. Okay, there you go. So, by the way, guys, this is Billy, our ball python. They're called ball python. It is because they love to roll into a ball to protect their head with their bodies. And here on my left side, this is Bella, our bearded dragon. Don't you know guys that they are called bearded dragon because of the dust spikes that can be found around their chin. And also, their gender is based on chromosomes and environmental temperature. At high temperature, male bearded dragon undergo gender reversal and develop as a female. Interesting, right? Okay, Gio, look at Bella. She's staring at you. How does it? Put your palms up like this.
Sawa.
Then compress a bit. Alright, now, all together. Are you ready? Ready? How about the audience? Are you ready? Okay, now that you are all ready, please welcome all the way from the serpents for you. And here is Maxine. Alright, Next. Okay, wow. How about a picture taken together with this lovely creature? Once again, this is Maxine, our Burmese python. Pythons are non-venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their
Okay guys, kakatapos na namin sa show. Ngayon, pupunta na kami sa entrance. Kasi nandun yung, sa may parking area, nandun yung sasakyan namin. Pupunta lang kami. At kukuha yung sasakyan para makapunta sa next destination. Kunin na rin namin yung picture guys. Baka na-develop na.
Picture.
Natuwa siya yun.
Tapos dili na tayo mamaya.
Na guys, sibat na kami. Pupunta na kami sa Lion Close Encounter.
May niya pinagsawaan pero pag sinawanan niya yan, wala na.
Hello guys.
Sa una lang.
Ayan o.
Ay, kunin mo na lang kay kuya.
Wait lang love. Ayan, water buffalo. Kalabaw ng ibang bansa.
Kaya naka-hazard siya. Mag-hazard ka rin.
Oo, naka-hazard.
Ayan, Wagyu. Napakasarap ng karne niyan, tsaka mamahalin yan pag sa samgyupsal. Yan ang kinain mo. Talagang premium beef. Oh. Yan, Wagyu. Yan, toro. Dito may kabayo. Then, ito yung sa Lion Close Encounter. Alam ko naman malayo yung mga pagdadrivean, lapit lang pala. Let's go.
Lion.
Ay,
Mabuhay.
good morning po.
Sir, baka pwede po mag-fit sa amin Lion for only 100 pesos po. Good for 3 person na po yun.
Okay,
Sa
sige po.
pagpapit naman po, gagamit po kayo ng metal tong po. And may mag-assist naman po sa inyo.
Pera mo na 100. Oh.
Po, good for 3 po na po yun. For experience din.
Mm-mm.
Si Dry na lang doon.
Yan, 100 pesos guys. 3 taong kapakain ng leon.
Ma'am, pwede nyo nag-represent yan namin.
Ayan lion. Babae yata to.
Babae, yan ang lalaki.
Lioness.
Sino po yung mag-address sa inyo, ma'am?
Ako na po.
100, 3 slash po yan. Huwag nyo lang ng proper momento nga para di na malaglag po yung chicken. Dilusot mong ganun naman yung chicken sa butas po ng grills. Sige po, hold nyo lang ng proper. Go.
Natakot ako. Ikaw na, natakot ako.
Patay tayo dyan.
Okay, next. Sa babae,
An,
ma'am.
ikaw An. Tatlong tayo.
Si Ma'am Ann. Ma'am, sana doon ka sa kapangalan niya, ma'am. Oo, may Ann doon, ma'am. Gusto mo sa kapangalan mo, ma'am?
Sa kapangalan ko na lang po.
Sige, okay, ma'am. Diyan muna. Sa yung isa. Diyan muna.
Kasi pa.
Okay. Sige po, dito tayo kay Ann.
Kasi hindi na matatayo nilalab. Tatlo na.
Pinakain ko na isa, di ba?
Ito lang siya.
Ayan, An. Kapangalan niya.
Ito siya. Siya po yung pinaka-biggest lioness namin. Di bukod po daw, siya po yung mama ni Coco. Yung pinakain niyo po lalaki lioness.
Ilang taon na to, sir?
10 years na po yan.
Ilang taon ang lifespan yan, sir?
Bale sir, inabot sila ng 20 to 25 years kung nasa captivity. Pero sa wild, mas maiksi po yung buhay nila. Inabot sila ng 15. Nandito mo, wait lang. Nandito mo pa kainin. Tapos tingin sa camera. Para sa kainin.
Hindi nakikita. Hindi siya nakikita. Ginumay niya pa din. Ano po yun? Buong araw dyan lang siya? Or
May time namin
Nilalabas din yan.
Sa ma'am, sa pinakawalikot po ng cage.
okay.
Okay. Picture, Picture lion. Nima, liger po ito. Mixed breed ng lion at tiger.
Lion.
Liger natin.
Oh, tail. Sis. Tail.
Tulog siya.
Lion.
Sleep siya.
Okay, ngayon naman guys, tiger safari ride kami. Ayan. Cave, dito po yan. Ayan, liliko lang kami dyan kung saan lumbas yung motor. Okay, let's go. Destination, Forbidden Cave. Ayan.
Diba?
Dito anak, I love dito. Diyan ba entrance?
Diba?
Butterfly garden to.
Sibra daw, Sibra. Picture daw, Sibra.
Where's the zebra?
Ayun, lagi may Sibrang maliit nga doon. Zubi Cave. Mga bunkers. Preserve animals. Mga bangkay ng mga hayop.
After po dito, pag nakatram kayo sa kabilang gate, diretso po yan.
Yan. Dapat yung ano yung parang yung mag-isa kanina. Yan yung mga alaga nila dito na namatay na. I-preserve po nila. So, ayun. Black Dorper. Kasi nga naman, di ka naman basta-basta makakabili rin ito mga ito. Kinakapanghinayang itapon kahit mga bangkay nila. Ito, monitor lizard. Bayawak. May buhay yung maliit. Python. Ito yung Palawan bear cat yata. Laki nito. Yan. Okay, next naman tayo, butterfly. Ewan ko, butterfly museum ba? Butterfly garden.
Yeah, what's this?
Via, what's that? Giraffe. Yan, under construction po sila ngayon. Hindi pa tapos, ano. Kaya hindi pa pulido yung lugar. Pero,
Meron po ba dun kaya?
at least inopen na rin nila, no? Kaya ito pa, ano.
Pero bakit?
Oo, tataiyan tayo mo.
Tara, tara, tara. Huwag mo, papunta ka sa'yo. Bird.
Gator ko. Uy, ganda na. Lamig. Presko. Oh, itong butterfly garden. Okay guys, on the way, Croco Loco. Yan, nilakad na lang namin malapit. Op, malapit lang naman. Yan, dito po siya. Ay, hindi pala ito Croco Loco. Tiger Encounter. Alright. Okay, ito na po yung jeep na sasakyan. Bayad naman na ito, covered na po ito ng entrance ticket. Yan. Antay lang kami na mapuno isang jeep bago lumarga, no? Tapos magabayad ka ng manok na ipapakain mo.
Sino?
Okay. Sige, wait lang natin ha. Okay, rolling. Bia. Yan, katabi namin yung mag-feeding.
Mabuti ba ha? Check mo mabuti ha? Sama kayo.
Yan. Bia, tiger ah.
Mamaya naman dyan sa tapat.
Lapit ka dito, ano? Para makita.
Papakainin na din dito kay Kuya.
O, dito, usap ka mo. Ay, usap ka dito. Dito, kitang-kita.
Paunti-unti lang ang pagkain.
Ano daw niya yung mga baby doon?
Anak niya.
Anak niya. Oo.
Oh, tiger.
Yeah.
Tiger eating, Bia. Tiger eat you.
Bia, tiger ah. Tiger.
Ayaw tiger daw.
Ano daw?
Ayaw tiger.
Ayaw tayo.
Takot siya. Baka pala matakot girl eh.
Smile ulit.
Napahirapan mo ko sa
Wow! Ay, sorry, nakalimutan. Masyado na na-mesmerize.
Kaya mag-selfie na kayo dyan. Ako malapit.
Hindi, maputi. Yun ang puti, oh.
Dito pala nakatira yung mga tigre. Pagka busog na daw, uuwi ni mga yun.
Pinusinahan nila.
Ako, kinukulong na yun.
Ayaw lumabi. Ayaw pumunta. Tapos magpapakawala
Oo, pag busog na sila, uuwi na. Papakawala naman na iba. Ayan, salitan sila. So yun guys, isang tigre lang kasi ang available eh. Pero okay na rin, sulit na. Ang kawawa ay nasa likuran namin kasi nabusog na yung tigre. Ayaw na lumapit. Yan, si Bia ano ngayon eh. Okay, final destination guys, Crocoloco. Ayan, nakit kami dito. Ay hindi, wala pala kaya atin, diretso lang pala. Ayan, may airsoft adventure din, pwede kayo magbarilan. Okay. Yan po sila na. Nakasteady lang sila para di sila magutom. Co-conserve sila ng energy.
Taba niya naman, oh. Laki yun.
Oo. Dami nila.
Hindi, yan. Di makakatalon yan ng ganyan kataas.
Kukut. 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 Kukut.
Cockroach?
Ay, kinakain ko.
Oo, ano kaya na yung isa.
Kukut.
Nakahuli na rin nalaglag.
Crocodiles. Big.
Big.
Ayaw. Big fish.
Hindi ka dito dali. Sarap kayo dali.
Here, safe.
Hello, pumakato.
Ang puppy. Kaka. Kaka, tayan. Kaka.
Pictures po.
Baby crocodile.
Crocodile, 50 pesos only using your camera. Pwede kayong solo, group, or family picture.
Baby crocodile.
Naka-tape naman po yung
Oh. Crocodile.
Na-picture tayo dyan, ha?
Baby,
50 pesos yun.
50.
Aitas Trail. Ayan. Kung doon nagkakamali po, i-demonstrate. They're gonna demonstrate the basic jungle survival skills. Yan. As well as cooking rice in a bamboo pole. Yan. Okay po to kasi tayong mga naninirahan sa syudad, sa lungsod, hindi naman tayo aware sa mga practices nila no, sa kagubatan. Siyempre, in case na matrap tayo sa mga ano, 'di ba? Hindi natin masabi yung buhay, maligaw tayo sa gubat, bundok. At least may idea tayo kung paano tayo makaka-survive na. Yan. Tapos po nito lunch time naman, then out na kami.
Kumain na sinabi ba kanina na sa lubong natin? Kakain muna yung lunch break.
Yan.
Dalawa
Lunch
ba?
break
Doon,
yata
saan
nila.
kayo po nyo? Kim, pupunta ka ba dyan? Ha? Hindi, doon na yun, doon. Ay, no, may sign. Ay, hindi pala signage.
Baka naman hindi dito yung ano performance.
Ay, ano na to? Lunch break na
Oo.
lang.
Lunch break yata. Okay ba?
But before that, history will tell us that before the Americans came here and converted the whole Subic forest into their military facilities, Aitas have relatively lived here and conserved and handed down from generation to generation. That is why here in Subic Safari we identify that our Aitas was the rulers of the forest. Indeed, this is our ancestral land. The first dance is the dragonfly dance. Whenever you see a group of dragonflies swarming around, this indicates the arrival of rainy season. Along with the rainy season comes the planting season. And also informing the whole tribe about believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild, and no other animal can match the skills of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging. In this dance, they perform by younger generation while the elders are out in the jungle or in the wild, hunting or searching for food. Once again, the monkey dance.
Hindi na sali, kaya nyo.
Wait for the last dance naman po is war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani. Whenever misunderstanding arises between two tribes, are usually send their young men into the actual battlefield. But before that, first perform this dance to ask guidance from our God called Apo Namayani to lead them in the wisdom despite or somehow resolve the problem in a peaceful manner.
That's it guys. So exit na kami. This ends our Subic Safari day tour. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at sana na-enjoy nyo rin po. Maganda experience lalo na sa bata. Immersive po ito, no? Makikita talaga nila in real life yung mga animals. So worth a try po ito. Okay, manghihinayang kahit medyo magastos, sulit naman po. Yan, so until next time, salamat sa panonood. Bye bye.